Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have just walked into Constantinople in 1453, and this place is about to have a very bad week. Quick thing, this city is under siege right now. Sealed shut. Nobody gets in, nobody gets out. I got in on a Genoese ship that ran the blockade last night, and honestly, nobody even checked me. So that was easy. Oh, and one more thing. Nobody here knows it yet, but in 6 days, all of this is gone. I will come back to that. So why here? Honestly, I just wanted to see the last living city of the ancient world before it goes. Okay, first impressions. It smells amazing in here, and everyone is already yelling at me to buy something. It is working. Okay, bread is basically 10 times what it cost in March. There has been a blockade since April. People here are properly hungry. And half the people here are not even Greek. Italians, Catalans, sailors from everywhere. This place has always been a mix. Oh, that is so good. It is basically flatbread with honey and sesame, and I could eat this all day. Okay, what is that thing? I had to ask someone. Apparently, it is a cannon. And it is the biggest one ever built. And here is the bit that got me. The guy who built it offered it to this city first. They could not afford it. So he sold it to the other side. I think she wants me to follow her. Either that or I am about to be robbed. Honestly, no idea. Let us find out. Okay, she is actually inviting me into her house. I think I am supposed to take my shoes off. This is so kind. So this is her whole home. One room, a fire, and almost no furniture. And somehow it does not feel like less. Oh, hello. They have a cat. I am sorry, but this is a 500-year-old cat, and I love him. Oh, that is lovely. I have no idea what the rules are. I am losing badly. Back home, dinner is rushed, or it is on a screen, or half of us are somewhere else in our heads. Here, there is nothing in the way. I do not understand a single word. It has not mattered once. Okay. I was not ready for that. This has been the biggest building on Earth for 900 years. 900. Nobody has come close to it. And it is nearly empty. There is a church argument going on, apparently. They do this every single night. Women, children, priests, everyone. Okay, this is heavier than expected. Nobody is sleeping tonight. There is an old prophecy here that the city cannot fall while the moon is growing. And tonight the moon went out. Something is happening tonight. Everyone is going the same way. All of them came. These people have been arguing about church for months, refusing to stand in the same room. And tonight, all of that is gone. I am really glad I saw that. It is so quiet out here. Everyone behind these walls is asleep right now. Ordinary Tuesday night for all of them, Okay, this is under the city. This whole thing is under the city. So you can besiege this city all you want. They are not running out of water. And most people up there have no idea this is down here. He is letting me try. This is going to go badly, and we both know it. Nope, that is not bread. He made his in about 4 seconds, and mine is a war crime. 23 armies have tried to get through this, and every single one went home. A 1,000 years and nobody has ever got in. He said yes, and I do not think he thought about it much. Yeah, that went nowhere near it. So the city is definitely safe now. I have no idea what he is saying, but everyone here is completely locked in. "900 years of people painting exactly like this. This is the first person all week who speaks anything close to my language. He says most of the ships left weeks ago, and the ones still here are staying because their crews chose to. They could all just leave, and they are not. I found this in Hiroshima. It stopped at the exact moment. I think she should have it. Okay, here we go. She did not have to do any of that. Feed me, take me in, none of it. So I need to come back to something I said at the start. In about 8 hours, an army comes over those walls, and everything I have filmed this week is gone by morning. And the way it happens is that somebody leaves one small side gate unbarred, and that is the whole story. This city held for 1,000 years against 23 armies, and it ends on a Tuesday because of a door. The thing I keep thinking about is how fast something this old can just stop existing. Everyone here today thinks tomorrow is going to look exactly like yesterday. And honestly, so do we. Thanks for watching, and subscribe so you do not miss the next one.